Hey all, I hope you all are doing great. This is Dr. Jyoti Bala. In this session, we are going to discuss a significant topic, which is how smartly we can use LinkedIn platform for our scientific purpose and also for our scientific journey. Especially, I will be sharing some of the do's and don't and my personal experiences, tips and advice for young researchers and students, especially in the areas from life sciences, biotech, biochemistry, BioIT and bioinformatics. So do check out this video. So let me begin with my own experience and what my profile looked like. I do have almost like 38,000 followers on LinkedIn, both national level connections and international level connections. So how I have achieved this much of followers and how was my professional experience over this platform, I'm going to share all these things with you guys. So at the personal level, you know that I'm a scientist, I'm a mentor with 15-year experiences from India and abroad. So why I emphasize LinkedIn, as we are in a digital and social networking era, it is very relevant. Either you are a student, scientist or industrial professional. Maybe you are from biotechnology, science background, arts or other backgrounds or IT background, but we all at different stages require to upgrade our professional status and level. And here LinkedIn plays a huge and crucial significant role. So updating our LinkedIn profile, how smartly we can use, is very important. And this is the reason I am guiding you and giving my experiences and tips so that you can update your profile and gain from that platform. So let's discuss some of the perks, especially for scientific community related to biosciences, biotech and BioIT, how smartly and significantly you can use and for what purposes. See, if you are a student, young researcher, industrial professional, scientists, faculties, we are in a time of digital era and global connection are really relevant. Not only national level interactions and connection are required, but global and international connection are also required. So in science community, especially in the biology sector, we have to perform a lot of experimentations, we have to submit joint grants, sometime we have to present, we have to conduct workshops, seminars and so on. So for multiple purpose, you can get these kind of information from such platform. So suppose you are a student, you can get the ideas and updates about training, research, internship, grant, fellowship, scholarship over this platform. If you're a student, you can get ideas about, if you want to go for study abroad, you can get the ideas about international fellowships. If you want to avail international travel awards or job opportunities in different labs and institute, all such crucial information you can gather from there. If you are a faculty or industrial professional, you might be planning for grants, joint grant, international grant. So you can get these kind of connection over LinkedIn platform and you can gain such kind of opportunity from there. Additionally, whatever science you are doing, you can convey all these things at such platform. Maybe you are good in scientific writing, you are good in scientific presentation, maybe you are expertise in some technology like aptamer, CRISPR and immunotherapy. So whatever expertise you have, you can like tell other recruiters and other connections that you have these expertise or interests. So in that way you can get a significant connection over such platforms. So this means we may get a lot of opportunities and ideas in such platforms like recent research and technology development, what is going in science and technology, in biology, BioIT and biotech sector. You can also get the ideas about recent job opportunity, current fellow and scholarships, innovations and startup opportunity, co-founder meetings, and you can, if you are a student, you want to do freelancing or internship, that kind of opportunities also you may get it from here. And publications related opportunity, joint grant submission kind of opportunity, these things you can explore very smartly on such platform. Let's discuss some of the do's and don't while using the platforms like LinkedIn. as we know, it's a professional platform. So whether you are student, researcher, or industry professional, make sure that you are updating the profile of yours, all these subsections, the headline, the title. Don't write like I'm looking for a job or these general titles. Tell them that what you are doing, what you are interested in, from where you have got experience. So your titles should be catchy. Then provide summary, what you have done, what you want to achieve. So in a 4, 5, 8 line, just mention what is your broad idea about yours, about you, what you have done and what you wanted to convey and why you are on the LinkedIn profile. And then one mistake I have seen many of the young researchers and students are doing is they are not using professional picture on the LinkedIn profile. See, this is a bit different than your Facebook and Instagram. If you are on such platform and using whatever pictures, it's completely your individual choice and we don't have any problem in that. But on the LinkedIn profile and LinkedIn platform, most of the people here are serious people, professional people, the recruiter, the scientist, the connection. So make sure that you are conveying the right message, that you are here for some purpose, like for job, internship, connections, professional level. So make sure you are using the professional picture. Then try to put all the crucial information related to your internship, dissertation, publications, your collaboration. If you are a student, ask for recommendation from your seniors, from your mentor, from your first connections. If you are a faculty or industry professional, try to give recommendation to the nice people and students so others can also get their expertise information. And one more thing I wanted to add, avoid sending random general emails. Like every day I'm getting hundreds of emails that ma'am, I want to job, I want, and I'm searching for a job. I've just passed from bachelor's and I want to do internship. So sometimes it is not feasible and I can't reply to all these emails and messages. But if you are sending any cold email also, make the tone very professional, read the background of that connection, why you are approaching, convey the message in precise way. So this is what I wanted to say. Instead of sending hundreds of emails, just make sure that you are sending significant emails, and prior to sending these kind of emails, just check the profile of that connections. Sometimes some people send me journal email and address me sir and all these things. So this shows how serious they are. So you have to check that part also. So let me tell you my experience, how few things has worked for me and how I have got this 38 followers, and what and for what purpose actually I use mostly LinkedIn platform. See, as I am a mentor or a scientist, so I have most of my connections related to scientific background, the deans, director, the student, researcher from India and abroad. So mostly I try to update if some postings are there or maybe some fellowships and scholarships are there. I used to try to share these things on the connections. I make educational videos, so I know these things are relevant for scientific community, especially related to bioinformatics and biotech and life sciences. So I share these things also. Whatever institute and organization I am associated with, because I am associated with multiple organizations, so I try to post related to those things if they are conducting some webinars and these things. And then if I think that okay, this faculties or this scientist is working on similar research interests, like my expertise are on aptamer, viruses, cancer biology, and if I see that okay, there are chances of collaboration, then we can discuss. Many of the time I get this opportunity for becoming the co-founder with those people, because maybe they find that my communication skill, my scientific experience are overlapping with them, because I do have experience from R&D sector also and from academia also. So these kind of opportunities sometimes I get from there, sometimes I myself approach for the collaborations, and I make sure that from my experience, the scientific students and community also get benefited. So in that way, I try to make sure that I am active on LinkedIn professionally, and I keep on updating these things, and whatever publications or things moves ahead, I try to update all these things. At the student level, I when I was during my masters and PhD, I was not on LinkedIn. I came on LinkedIn profile. I made this profile when I was doing my postdoc. So from there onward, especially for my professional journey, I have used. So when I was searching for my job during that period, I'm sorry, I have not used this platform, but for my connections, for my collaboration, I'm using this platform, and I'm seeing significant response and feedback, and best result out from there. So let me summarize the key takeaways and important point from this session. Please make sure that you are updating your profile, especially the LinkedIn profile, at regular frequency and regular interval. Make sure that your educational qualification, experience, certification, training, everything is updated, and get the recommendation letter if you are at the beginner stages, and if you are industrial professional and faculties, try to give the recommendation to the right people. And nowadays this LinkedIn platform is not only for job opportunities, you can also provide what kind of skills you have. So if you are good in scientific writing, communication, video generation, if you can provide the information in that form, feel free to provide professional information in your writing and video format also. And make sure that you are not sending journal emails like hi, hello. You are doing your homework first before approaching to these connections. Take a note, do the background check why you are writing. So make sure that you are approaching in a professional way. Make sure that at a regular regular interval, you are going to these platforms and taking out relevant informations and timely applying for those opportunities. Good luck from my side. I hope you have liked the session and found the information relevant. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and kindly share these information among your scientific endeavor and friends. Thank you.